NASA just recently released this incredible footage of their Space Launch System taking off from Kennedy Space Center. What you're seeing here is 4K imagery that was captured at 120 frames per second and is being replayed here at half speed and 60 frames a second. Thanks to a Twitter user named GoForGordon, this is one of a multitude of films released in a package through a Freedom of Information Act request to the federal government. This was filmed at Universal Camera Station 9, or UCS 9, right on Playa Linda Beach, a little over 2.5 miles from launch site 39B, where SLS launched. This footage was actually filmed horizontally to take advantage of the camera aspect ratio and capture as much detail as possible. Note the synchronized UTC timer in the lower right of the frame. Right now, the hydrogen burn-off igniters are throwing sparks to ensure that any stray gaseous hydrogen is burned off before it accumulates and becomes a bigger hazard. At this time, the 4 core stage engines start, followed by a stunning liftoff once those solid rocket boosters ignite.
Liftoff confirmed. Copy liftoff.
Port 109. ICPS coming loose flight phase.
Copy.
Good targets, AMT low.
Copy AMT low.
Good control on the roll.
Copy roll.
Right here we are seeing what appears to be the aft end of the core stage engulfed in flames. This is an expected occurrence as some of the propellant gases get attracted to the low pressure area or the slipstream of the core, where they are then burned off due to the high heat of the nearby combustion. As it rises into the sky, we see 2 of the 4 RS-25 engines in the aft section of the core stage. The solid rocket boosters on each side of the core stage at this point are burning about 6 tons of propellant every second. These SRBs will help the vehicle gain altitude, and then they'll be jettisoned around 2 minutes into the flight. This makes a perfect video to cast to your TV to see all of those details that the footage was intended to display. Go add a comment if you're curious about something else in this video that I didn't discuss. Click the link in the description if you'd like to see the raw footage of this event in 4K 60. I'll be adding more of the footage released from this Freedom of Information Act request, so subscribe and hit the bell if you want to know when the next 4K footage is uploaded.